In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone without using the touchscreen. And so this will not hard reset your phone. It's just a method using the side buttons to turn it off and to keep your screen off without using the touchscreen. What we're going to do is we're going to push the volume up and down and then press and hold this side button. This will cause a restart. And then when it's on the black screen, you're going to want to press and hold the volume up and the power button before the logo appears. So we're going to do that now. I'm going to press the volume up and down and then press the power button. Keep holding it and it will begin the restart on your iPhone. And then once that happens, press and hold the volume and the power button while it's on the black screen. So do that before the Apple logo shows up. And as you can see, it's now just black screen. So that is how you can turn off your iPhone without using the touchscreen. Hopefully you found that helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.